Hello friends, welcome back to our channel DVG Rail Fan. Today we are going to talk about the amazing features of Indian Railways, one of the largest railway networks in the world. 1. World's fourth largest network. Indian Railways is the fourth largest railway network in the world, covering more than 68,000 kilometers of track. 2. Daily passenger movement. Every day, Indian Railways carries around 2.3 crore passengers. That's almost the population of Australia, traveling daily. 3. Electrification. Indian Railways is moving towards 100% electrification by 2030, making it the world's largest green railway network. 4. Variety of trains. From luxury trains like Palace on Wheels to modern high-speed trains like Vande Bharat Express, Indian Railways offers a wide range of travel experiences. So friends, Indian Railways is not just a mode of transport, but a lifeline of the nation. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more railway content. See you in the next video.